A student challenged the rule prohibiting mobile phone use between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and requiring students to surrender their phones to the warden. The girl has approached the High Court seeking to enforce her rights for use of mobile phone. The petitioner argued that such restrictions infringed on her fundamental rights, including freedom of speech and expression, privacy, and education. The question that arose for consideration before the court was whether restrictions imposed by the hostel authorities on use of mobile phones, while enforcing discipline, has infringed the fundamental rights of the petitioner, even assuming that such modification was brought about at the request from the parents. The court considered the case in the context of constitutional provisions, international conventions, and prior judgments. It acknowledged the potential for misuse of mobile phones but also recognized their importance in modern life, especially for accessing information and educational resources. The court held that such restrictions on college students, even if at the behest of parents, were unreasonable and negatively impacted their fundamental rights and future opportunities. The court recommended counseling on responsible mobile phone usage instead of outright bans. It emphasized that students over 18 should have the autonomy to choose their study methods, as long as they don't disturb others. The court also highlighted the significance of digital literacy and internet access for educational purposes. The court emphasized that when one student may be interested in garnering knowledge by reference of books in libraries, one may be interested in referring to e-books or downloading data. When it is already found that such an action infringes the fundamental freedom as well as privacy and will adversely affect the future and career of students who want to acquire knowledge and compete with their peers, such instruction or restriction cannot be permitted to be enforced. In conclusion, hostel authorities are expected to enforce only those rules and regulations for enforcing discipline. Enforcement of discipline shall not be by blocking the ways and means of the students to acquire knowledge. Therefore, the restrictions made by hostel authorities on mobile phone usage were unreasonable and cannot be permitted under law. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.